Welcome to Always Dolls. We're so glad you're here. Today we have another 1920s Claudie inspired craft, sharing with you how to make baking essentials like her box of rolled oats, baking soda, and jar of strawberry jam. And best of all, these crafts are quick and easy to make. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. So, let's get making! For this craft, we recycled different mini boxes from our grocery shop. The scale is perfect for 18-inch dolls, and better yet, you get more than one box when you buy the share packs of Nerds candy and trail mix. For our baking soda box, we used images from American Girl's site to make a printable. You can find a link in the description below. It's scaled to the dimensions of the Nerds candy packaging. Simply print, then cut out the rectangle with its tabs. To minimize the brightness of the packaging, give your box an undercoat with white paint. Apply glue all over, including the tab areas, then wrap with your printable. So easy! Use glue stick or liquid glue on the bottom tabs to close it up. But before you seal the top, add filler so the box keeps its shape. We use scraps of foam board. In just a few minutes, your baking soda box is complete. Make one or make many to fill the bakery workshop shelves. Now let's use the same technique to make a vintage box of rolled oats. Using the dimensions of our mini trail mix box, we again took images from American Girl's website to make a printable that looked similar. If you don't have these snack boxes, you can always print the image on cardstock and make the box in the same way we showed in our DIY pineapple upside down cake video. As before, we primed the box with white paint before adhering the printable. Fill the inside with scraps of foam board, then sealed the top closed with liquid glue. For a jar of strawberry jam, we sourced these little plastic containers at Daiso. Removed the cap and carefully cut away the neck. Now the bottle looks more like the jars seen in AG's collections. Next, we mixed fuchsia pink with a drop of red paint and clear school glue for our jam. You want the consistency to be smooth like cake batter. Pour the mix into your bottle and swirl it around to coat the bottom and sides. You will need to do this step often to ensure the walls are evenly covered as the glue dries inside the bottle. For the cap, take a button and paint it silver, then hot glue over the opening. We made a simple printable for the jam label, cut it out and covered the paper with packaging tape. Wrap around your bottle and you're done. Since there were 3 bottles in the pack, you can get creative and make different flavours of jam. The dolls are all set with these quick and easy baking essentials. Thanks for joining us today and see you back soon for more miniature crafting fun!